Well, hello everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and looking at the farm area, and here's a little tree that fell down. We'll have to set this up somewhere later. I'll leave it there. Let's look at the farm. So this is, I guess these dioramas are yellow apple trees, and someone climbing up a ladder to pick them. And there's a wheelbarrow full of apples. This is some kind of hay baler. If you could see the striations in the ground, that's because it was plaster, and I used a spackle. I'm not spackle. Well, it is spackle, not plaster. But I used a. I can't think of the proper name for it now. Is it a? It's a spackle tool that has grooves in it. I guess really for applying glue, but I used it on the plaster so it looked like it was plowed ground. And further back here we can see some pumpkins and high grass. That would mean this was sometime in the fall or autumn. And further back there we could see various farm equipment, trucks, some cattle, horses, and it looks like a chicken coop or some kind of shed. So I think the right term for what I'm thinking of is a notched putty knife. But I don't know why I keep thinking there's a different name for it that escaped me right now. There's some pigs. There's a barn. More creatures, great and small. Now, if you're looking at it in terms of scale, these cows are HO scale, and the tractors seem a little bit large. That's probably because they're kind of like matchbox size. So instead of being 1 to 87, there may be 1 to 72, or maybe even slightly bigger. I don't think they're big enough for O scale. I don't think they're 1 to 43, but they might be 1 to 72. Just like these, where are they? Here. These ducks and geese are kind of large because they're as big as the cows that are over here or bigger. So they're a little bit too big. But you got to go with what you can find, and sometimes you can find them perfect to scale. But another way to think of it is, just enjoy getting the sense of what it is. Now here's something you could see: there's pigs, hogs, lady feeding them, a little shed. Now this is actually a guy selling, I think, Christmas trees. So that really doesn't belong there, but okay, it's there. This is a European style house, but it's an interesting setup. There's a windmill and a water tower, so all very nice. Something you can do. It gives you the sense of place you've been to, somewhere you might like to go. Hey, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.